guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you for a house viewing. This house will be a 2-bedroom partially furnished house, and I'll explain why I'm calling it partially furnished. So I hope you enjoy the video. This house is in Belfast and not far from the city. So from here, that's the hallway, the corridor from the main door. And then I'll be taking you to the sitting room, which is together with the dining area. So I'm calling this house partially. Can you see we actually have the sofa there, two sofa, 2-seater and 3-seater. And then that other side that I'm showing you is the dining area where you will be putting your dining table. So those are 2 leather couches there, very beautiful ones. So that's the dining area. You can put your dining table there. And then there's a small storage here, only the door that is broken, so can be fixed. From there, there's the kitchen, very beautiful. Actually, it has high gloss white cabinets. They're very beautiful, I love them. There's a small like path outside there. I'll show you at some other point. Can you see the black door through the window? So I had been out to the back door, and then I've been shown where you put your bins and stuff like that. So that's the boiler. The cabinets, they are very clean, actually, white and clean. There's an electric cooker in this house. The only thing that is not in the kitchen is the washing machine, so you will have to buy your own washing machine. Very beautiful house, guys, and very spacious as well. So from the kitchen, dining area, living room, so I'll take you to the upstairs. So when I got here, guys, I got a little bit confused. Can you see that wardrobe? It's a wardrobe. This area could serve like a small dressing area, probably. That's a high gloss white doors for the wardrobe. Just a small wardrobe there. And you won't believe it, guys, it's very big space there, but then it's leading us to the bathroom. See that bathroom, very spacious. I love these houses on this side because they are bathrooms, they are very spacious. We have the underlights there, the ceiling lights, the bathtub, very spacious bathtub, and we have a shower head there. And then that's the toilet and the sink. And then we do have the heater, you've already seen it there. So from the bathroom we come, this is the landing here. Then this is the first room, the first bedroom. It's not tiny, actually, it's a very spacious room. It's a standard double bedroom. This is the window actually I was talking about. That's the window. Can you see the black door there, the one that I was showing you through the kitchen? That's what I meant. I had been outside and the agent was showing me where you can put your bins while you're in this house for collection. So I think the wardrobe that we saw before we go to the bathroom, you can put it in this room, maybe, because this room didn't have a wardrobe. And this other room that we are heading, you find out that we have a wardrobe. Sorry guys, there were some other people viewing the same house. And remember guys, I always ask the agent to give me permission to film. I don't just go filming. For as long as I don't take faces for other people, it's okay. This is a very spacious bedroom. Of all the houses that I viewed recently, this is a very huge room, guys. This is the master's bedroom, and this is the second bedroom, and you've seen the wardrobe that I was telling you about. So this house is a gas central heated house, so during winter you won't have any problems. Yeah, so we are done. This is the landing, and then now I'm going downstairs and we'll have a discussion with the agent, and she'll tell me more about the house. But this house is £600 per month. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.